Hey, students! Welcome to Learning is Easy with Teacher Fish, kung saan ang pag-aaral hindi lang madali kundi exciting pa. Tara, simulan na natin ang pag-level up nyo sa school, life, and the future. In today's lesson video, we will focus on the plot. Imagine you are watching a movie on Netflix or YouTube. Di ba may mga characters? May conflict or the problem that the characters face? May habulan or iyakan which makes the story exciting and meron ding ending. Those are what we call plot. A plot, or in Tagalog, banghay, is the sequence of events that makes up a story o ang pagkakasunod-sunod ng mga pangyayari sa isang kwento. It shows us what happens o kung ano ang nangyari, to whom it happens, kanino nangyari, and why it happens, bakit nangyari. Most stories follow a structure which includes exposition. The exposition is the introduction of the story. It gives us the background we need to understand what's going on. It usually answers three important questions. Who are the main characters? Where does the story take place? And what is the situation at the beginning or start of the story? Isipin mo na parang bagong adventure ang sisimulan mo. Bago ka pa man umakyat ng bundok, kailangan mo munang malaman sino ang mga kasama sa paglalakbay, saan magsisimula ang trail, ano ang lagay ng panahon, maaraw ba, maulan, o may paparating na bagyo. Ang exposition ang nagsisindi ng unang ilaw sa kwento. Binibigyan ka ng mapa para maintindihan ang mundo na papasukin mo. Next, rising action. Rising action is the part of the story where things start to get interesting. A problem appears or something unexpected happens. This part shows us how the characters try to deal with the problem and how things start to go wrong or get more intense. Dito, nagsisimula ka ng umakyat ng bundok. Paakyat ka ng paakyat papunta sa tuktok at bawat hakbang ay nagpapataas ng tensyon, excitement, o nagpapagulo sa mga pangyayari. The third part of the plot is called climax. The climax is the moment where everything changes. It is the most exciting, most emotional, or most important moment in the story. It is the turning point. The part where the main character faces his biggest challenge, makes a big decision, or something unexpected happens that changes the direction of the story. Isipin mo ulit na umakyat ka ng bundok ng matagal. Hingal na hingal ka na, pagod na pagod, at pagdating mo sa tuktok ay biglang may malaking bangin sa harap mo. Kailangan mong magpasya agad. Tatalon ka ba, iikot, o hahanap ng ibang daan? Ito ang pinaka-dramatikong sandali. Hindi ka na pwedeng umatras. Ang gagawin mo dito ang magtatakda kung paano matatapos ang iyong paglalakbay. Next is falling action. The falling action is the part of the story that comes right after the climax. It shows us how the characters deal with the results of what just happened. The tension starts to drop and the things begin to calm down or settle. Ito yung parte na pagkatapos mong tumalon sa bangin o makahanap ng ibang daan sa tuktok ng bundok, nagsisimula ka ng bumaba. Hindi na kasing hirap ng pag-akyat pero kailangan mo pa ring mag-ingat sa pagbaba. Dito mo makikita kung ano ang epekto ng mga desisyon mo sa taas. Unti-unti nararamdaman mo na malapit ka nang makabalik sa lupa. Mas kalmado pero may mga natutunan at mga sugat din marahil. Finally, resolution. The resolution is where the story wraps up. We see how the characters have changed, what they have learned, and how the main conflict is resolved or not. It leaves the reader with a sense of closure or a final thought. Isipin mo na nakababa ka na ng bundok. Pawisan, pagod, pero may mga ngiti sa labi dahil sa lahat ng dinaanan mo. Maari kang may mga galos o bagong kwento ng tapang at pag-asa. Dito mo maiintindihan kung paano ka nagbago dahil sa paglalakbay. At dito mo rin isasara ang aklat ng iyong adventure, dala ang mga aral na nakuha mo. Before we continue with our lesson, let us first check your understanding of the lesson about the plot. Read an African folk tale from a Nigerian novelist, Chinua Achebe, one of the most prominent Nigerian writers and a key figure in Afro-Asiatic literature. Pwede niyong i-pause ang video habang binabasa ang story at ipagpatuloy na lang ito once na natapos na kayong magbasa. For your activity, identify the parts of the plot. Complete the plot diagram by identifying the exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. You may again pause the video until you finish answering, then continue with it to check if you got all the answers correctly. Did you get all the answers correctly? Good job! Great job today, class! Nakatapos na naman tayo ng isang lesson na very helpful sa inyong pag-aaral. Please do not forget to press like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa ating new lessons. With that, see you next time here on Learning is Easy with Teacher Fish.